Cristiano Ronaldo's trillionaire lifestyle doesn't begin with alarms or sunlight. It begins with calibration, because before the world wakes up, Ronaldo is already inside a system designed to engineer the most dominant physical machine on Earth. At 5:30 a.m. sharp, his Saudi Arabian palace doesn't just wake, it activates. The air filters purge 99% of allergens, the temperature locks at a crisp 68 degrees, and his biometric floor sensors light up in clinical white, instantly scanning his recovery metrics the moment his feet touch the ground. His day starts in a high-pressure cryotherapy chamber programmed to hit negative 160 degrees, a medical-grade unit worth nearly $60,000. He steps inside, hands clenched, jaw set, eyes staring forward. 3 minutes, no shivering, only discipline, the kind of cold that shocks the nervous system and forces survival, so he can still out-jump 20-year-olds at 40 as if gravity doesn't apply to him. When he steps out, 2 performance specialists don't just wrap him in towels, they scan him, they check lactate levels, they measure hydration to the milliliter using non-invasive biosensors. The live readings don't just appear on a wall, they are processed instantly by a private AI medical core housed within his Riyadh compound, with secondary verification run by his longevity clinic in Madrid. He doesn't wait for doctors to call, the algorithm adjusts his day automatically. This entire setup isn't just recovery, it is biological warfare against aging. Cost close to $7 million annually. Next door is Ronaldo's Arena, a performance center that makes commercial gyms look like playgrounds. The floors are shock-absorbent aerospace rubber imported from Germany. The machines, Technogym's unreleased 2025 prototype series, built exclusively for him before they hit the market. The mirrors are everywhere, not for vanity, but for biomechanical perfection. Every rep must be identical, every movement is calculated. The treadmills are anti-gravity units used by astronauts to run without joint stress. A hyperbaric oxygen chamber worth $200,000 sits in the center looking like a space capsule. The lighting isn't calm blue, it is clinical white. By 7 a.m., his nutritional architects have crafted meal number 1. Ronaldo doesn't eat for taste, he eats for fuel. He eats 6 times a day, every 3 to 4 hours, like a clock. 1 handles macronutrient splitting. 1 sources organic ingredients flown in daily. 1 ensures 0 sugar, 0 processed oil, 0 deviations. Ingredients come from everywhere. Codfish from the deep Atlantic, premium chicken breast, organic vegetables from his own hydroponic farms, imported avocados for healthy fats. A single breakfast? It looks simple, but the logistics behind it cost thousands. He eats without a phone, without a TV, just him and the fuel, focusing on digestion as if it were a training session. Then comes the obsession, the sunbathing ritual, not for a tan, but for natural vitamin D absorption to spike testosterone levels. Timed strictly, 20 minutes, no more, no less. By 8 a.m., the world is hitting snooze, and Ronaldo has already outworked professional athletes half his age. Because for Ronaldo, mornings aren't for peace, they're for dominance. When Ronaldo solidified his legacy in Saudi Arabia, he didn't just rent a home, he established a headquarters, a mega property on a private island project in the Red Sea, accessible only by boat or helicopter. Step inside and everything screams power. Double height waterfalls in the lobby, gold leaf ceilings, a living room large enough to play football in, a garage that looks like a futuristic showroom, a private bowling alley. His living room doesn't face the ocean in silence. It overlooks the horizon of a country he helped transform. He doesn't hide from the city, he owns the view. But the real magic? The medical wing. Inside, 2 Olympic-sized pools, a cryotherapy chamber, his second one, a physiotherapy room staffed 24/7 by experts poached from Real Madrid and Manchester United, an office where he managed as an empire worth over $1.5 billion. Ronaldo's home is not quiet. It is grand. It is gold. It is dripping in achievement. It is loud, proud, and massive, exactly like him. Ronaldo is the opposite of Messi in one key aspect. He feeds on attention. He monetizes noise. He collects eyeballs. His neighborhood isn't just guarded. It's famous because he is there. He doesn't run from cameras. He smiles at them because every photo increases his brand value. He is the most followed human on Earth, approaching 700 million followers across all platforms. A digital country larger than the population of the USA and Brazil combined. Security teams are massive. Ex-special forces. They don't hide him. They create a moving perimeter so he can walk through the chaos untouched. Like Moses parting the Red Sea. His kids are raised in luxury, but with military discipline. No iPhones at dinner. Daily training protocols. He wants them to know that the diamonds on the table were bought with sweat in the mud. Ronaldo doesn't collect cars to look normal. He collects cars to stop traffic. His collection is aggressive, loud, obscene. Bugatti 110, one of 10 in the world, valued over $10 million now. Bugatti Chiron, the new Ferrari Daytona SP3, McLaren Senna, Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a custom armored G-Wagon for Riyadh streets. His rarest? The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the most expensive car ever built. He drives differently than Messi. He revs the engine. He drops the top. He wants you to hear the horsepower. He arrives like a thunderstorm. Ronaldo's private jet is a Gulfstream G650ER, updated with the latest satellite comms valued near $70 million. Inside, Starlink connectivity for zero latency business calls, a wardrobe for his suits, custom CR7 branding on the leather seats, a medical recovery zone for long-haul flights. When Ronaldo flies, he doesn't disconnect, he works. He manages his hotels, he reviews sponsorship contracts with Binance and Nike. He conquers the sky at 50,000 feet. Ronaldo's yacht is massive, an Azimut Grande 27 valued near $10 million, 5 cabins, sun deck with a bar, jet skis, glass-walled dining room. He doesn't use it to disappear, he uses it to entertain, family, friends, music, photo shoots. He posts the pictures. He shows the world the six-pack abs at 40. He isn't hiding the lifestyle. He is inspiring the world with it. Ronaldo owns properties in Madeira, Lisbon, the most expensive apartment ever sold in the city, Madrid, New York, Riyadh, a mega mansion project on Jumeirah Bay Island, Dubai. Combined real estate value, over $250 million. Each property is chosen not for silence, but for status. Prime locations, penthouses, the top of the world. Ronaldo's wardrobe is billboard luxury. Gucci, Jacob & Company, CR7 brand. Diamond encrusted jewelry. He wears clothing designed to be seen. Tight fits to show the physique. Logos that scream success. His watch collection includes Jacob & Kohler Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon custom made. Frank Mueller invisible set Tourbillon $1.5 million. The new Jacob & Company Flight of CR7 exclusive piece flashy. Yes, but on his wrist it looks like armor. He didn't just partner with brands, he became one. Lifetime deal with Nike, $1 billion. Owns hair clinics, Insparia. Owns gyms, CR7 Fitness. Owns hotels, Pastana CR7. Owns a massive stake in Chrono 24. Messi plays for equity. Ronaldo plays to become the bank. Ronaldo works with the world's top scientists for stem cell therapy, hyperbaric oxygenation, blood flow restriction training, deep tissue percussion therapy, Whoop and Aura ring data analysis integrated into his daily nutrition. He doesn't sleep like a normal human. He recharges like a battery. He isn't maintaining time, he is reversing it. Biological age? 24. Chronological age? 40. Ronaldo's true power isn't his money, it's his influence. He moved a Coke bottle and the market crashed. He signed in Saudi and the entire football ecosystem shifted to the Middle East. He cuts his hair and millions copy it next week. He doesn't leave footprints on wet sand. He carves his name into stone permanently. Ronaldo's lifestyle isn't quiet, it isn't subtle, it isn't humble. It's proof, it's glory, it's the roar of victory. While others chase stillness, Ronaldo chases the impossible. While others hide in shadows, Ronaldo stands directly in the spotlight and dares you to look away. His mansions are loud, his cars are loud, his jet is fast, his mornings are intense, his mind is bulletproof, and his legacy immortal. Because Ronaldo proves one truth: if you work hard enough, you don't need to whisper. You can make the whole world listen to your roar. They say wealth whispers, but power? Power screams. Cristiano Ronaldo proved that you don't need to hide to be a legend. If you belong to the rare 1% who are building their legacy with obsession and fire, then you belong here. Welcome to the Billionaire Circuit, subscribe, and let the world hear you coming.